Hello everyone, our modeling lessons has been finished and now we are going to start load lessons. Our first lesson is about snow loads. So let's get started. Let's create a model. File menu, New Project, and I click New Project button. Our model name is snow load and I click Open button. I select our default template, but in this time our column height is about 9 meters. Then I click OK. Our model is created. Let's add some another holes. Model, x-axis. I am selecting the truss and add different to right. I am going to select a monoslope roof and change its coordinates. Change the hash parameter and span length. Let's reduce the purlin number. Yeah, it's good. I click OK. Let's add another roof. At this time, we are going to add to left. I am selecting a monoslope roof again with the same parameters. Let's reduce the purlins and that's okay. Then click Apply Change button. Now our model is ready. To define the loads, you need to click Loading tab. Let's click it. First of all, you need to select the loading code. There are several codes available in MkaPEB. These are the Eurocode, the Azerbaijan codes, the American code, the Indian code, the Saudi Arabia code, and the last one, the Pakistan code. We are working on new codes to add the program. Let's select the Eurocodes. Then you need to select the national annex if available. In Eurocodes, the national annex are available in MkaPEB. Let's select Germany. There is another option here, is in another building. This means if you click this, program assumes that this building is in another building, so no wind or snow load available in this building. But in this case, we uncheck this. Then let's click Snow Loads tab. A map welcomes us according to your selection of national annex. Our national annex is Germany, so German map opens. Our climatic region is Germany. We need to select the snow zone and the altitude. I make this 400 meters. Then you need to select the topography. It's normal, sheltered, all winds swept. We select normal. And if you want to program consider the ice load, you need to click here. In this case, we don't click here. Then press OK. Now, program has already calculated the snow loads and make all loadings to the relevant members. To see this, we are going to use Show Loads on Structure menu. In this menu, first of all, you need to select a mode. These modes are loads on sheeting, loads on secondary members, and of course loads on main members. Let's select loads on sheeting. Then you need to select a load case. Let's select Snow 1. Then push the draw button. As you can see, program draw load shapes and create a load table at right. The colors indicate the load values, and of course you can left click to see the corresponding values. Take attention that the program has taken into account areas where snow has accumulated. It's an automatic progress. If you change the geometry, the program will perform the calculations again according to the new geometry, so the user saves a lot of time. Let's change this. Loads on secondary members. Then again, our load case is Snow 1. Then I click Draw button. In this case, you can see the distribution of snow loads on the secondary elements. Take attention that the accumulate snow loads area members carry more loads than other members. Now let's change this. Loads on main members. Again, our load case is Snow 1. Let's click Draw button. In this case, the program shows the distribution of the snow loads on the main elements. Again, the accumulation areas carry more loads than others. Of course, you can select another code to calculate the snow loads. Let's change the code. I'm going to select the American code. Then, this time, you need to select the classification of the building. Let's select option 2. Then I click Snow Load button again. Another menu welcomes us. This time, you need to select the exposure type. Let's select this, and the terrain category, and thermal condition factor. And you need to indicate the ground snow loads in the units of PCF. Let's change it. Then click OK.